Hey, what's up, speakerphiles? Wellington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the old guy, the JBL Charge 3, going up against the Sony SRS XB32. This is running two 50mm drivers, and this guy is running two 48mm drivers. As usual, I will be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Do something crazy, we should try to run away. It's been so long since I've been myself. I tend to forget so fast how to live excitingly.
Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops.
Okay, so if you are looking for the loudest of the two, obviously, like you heard, the Charge 3 is louder than the XB32. And yes, if you didn't know, the Charge 3 is also louder than the JBL Charge 4. So it's a loudspeaker. If you're looking for which one is going to be louder than the other, this guy here is a loudspeaker. Also, the highs are a little bit better if you compare them to the SRS XB32 here. But using Sony's music app, you can easily tune the speaker using that provided EQ to make it sound bright like the Charge 3 here sounds. You can easily achieve what the Charge 3 can produce with the SRS XB32 with an added better bass performance. So overall, the XB32 here is a better performer than the Charge 3 here. The only upside to the Charge 3, like I said, it's louder, but also the better fabric design that it has. I mean, this is over 3 years old and it still looks pretty good. So the fabric design is good, whereas this in 3 years or so, this plastic, if you're using it pretty heavily, it's going to show all that wear and tear pretty easily. Plus, the Charge 3 has JBL Connect Plus, which, if we all know, that's way better than Sony's wireless party chain. So as for me, I think the SRS XB32 is a better sounding speaker, can easily get what the Charge 3 here can put out. So I would go with the SRS XB32 unless you find this guy way cheaper somewhere. And it's not like it's a terrible sounding speaker. It was pretty popular. They fixed the highs that were really bad when it first came out. But as far if we just look at sound, I think Sony would be a better choice to go with if money and other features that this has are not, if those are not what you're looking for in just sound. So yeah, thank you for watching this. I'll leave the links to these speakers in the comment section below. Use those links, it helps out the channel. Thank you for watching again. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. I will see you in the next video. Peace.